Look at how fresh. Look at how fresh this is. Ugu, the fresh ugu. Everybody loves freshness. Everybody loves freshness. So tell the owner of the shop where you are that you need fresh ugu, that you need fresh leaves, that you need fresh tomatoes, need fresh everything. The moment they get the consignment, they're gonna send it to you fresh. So please stop wasting time. Stop doing things that are not beneficial for you. If you're an African shop owner, this is gonna help you because you make more money as they come in. If you send a text message to 50 people, you have 100 bunches of dates, you send a text message to 50 people. In less than 24 hours, you get cleared, you buy a new one. So it's an advantage for you. So please make use of it. This is Loveday from my Loveday kitchen saying thank you very much for watching. Remember to, if you like, you subscribe. If you don't like, that's your business. But what I know is this. Even if you want to use this as you want to blend this and drink the juice. See how fresh this is. And the juice coming out from this is going to be so fresh, so fresh, so fresh. So get behind and patronize the local African shop. Stop farming, please. Stop farming. Patronize them. Get to know them. Get to understand them. You African shop owner, get to know and understand your people. Send them messages. Build that relationship. Get to understand them. Know what they want. Put it in your faces and they will buy. And you make your money. They will make a good soup pot of soup. You know what I mean? So thank you for watching once again. And remember, if you buy the fresh ugu, if you buy the fresh leaf, please feel free to drop the contact of the African shop where you are, where you bought it, so that all the Africans around you will know that there is freshness in that store. To every person who is bringing food from Africa down to where we are in the US, in the UK, in Ireland, in Ghana, in wherever you are. Wherever you are. If you are bringing in fresh food, fresh fruit, fresh ugu, fresh bitter leaf, freshness of African quality, if you're bringing it down to us, listen, I say thank you very much for keeping us fresh the African way. You know what I mean? Thank you very much. This is Loveday from Loveday TV. Sorry. Thank you and have a good, lovely day. Remember, Loveday TV is first for African food. Loveday TV is first for food. All right, till next time we'll come your way. Have a splendid day. And remember, fresh ugu, fresh oha, fresh bitter leaf, fresh everything makes you fresh. It makes you fresh. It gives you freshness that keeps you fresh and keeps you fresh. Be fresh all the time. See ya.